You know what you can buy for $22,500? A sunroof on a Toyota Camry. I can't make this shit up right now. Everybody knows how I feel about Toyota right now with their $30,000 Tundra engines, and now apparently on a 2020 Toyota Camry, it's $22,500 to replace a goddamn sunroof. So if you just clicked on the video, you're wondering what's going on. Well, welcome to Canada. A Southern Ontario man brought his 2020 Toyota Camry into the dealership because his sunroof was jammed open. And what he got was the shock of a lifetime. He got an estimate for $22,500. I hope that's with the tax, because holy shit, that's bad. I've been saying it for years. A lot of these cars are going to be mechanically written off. Well, there's still plenty of life in them for stupid friggin' reasons. I've seen it over and over as a technician. One of the number one things I've seen is the vehicle is mint, the body's mint, but some major component fails and the customer cannot afford to replace it. So you know what happens? Service department wheels them on over to finance, and they finance a new vehicle because technically their vehicle is mechanically totaled over a stupid thing, whether it be an engine, a transmission, a $22,000 friggin' sunroof. Like, are you kidding me? So if I know anything about Canada right now, insurance companies are already moving to up the rates on this damn car, and the resale value is about to plummet on these things. Like, Camry owners need another thing to worry about. Like, Toyota, I don't know what to say. Like, how the hell can you put together a car that can quote out $22,500 and not be a complete drivetrain, front to rear, installed? How is that possible? And my buddy Jade Mechanic sent me this video and I just couldn't believe it. It came out 11 hours ago and I'm not showing any of the footage. Holy crap, what's going on with the industry right now? Things are sad, and I bet you on the technician end of that panoramic sunroof only pays like 5.5 hours to do. And I'm a bit of a sunroof expert myself. I did all the Velosters, I did the friggin' Santa Fe's, and those are no easy jobs to do. Interiors come out, headliners come out, headliners get creased. It's a total friggin' nightmare. So $22,500 can escalate pretty quick, especially if the dealership doesn't want to cover what the technician messes up, and things will happen. You will run into unknowns, especially on something like that. Oh my goodness. I've never put a quote out that big in my life. So I guarantee you the technician and the service manager, everybody involved on that one were freaking out in the back. And I would too, but the fact that they handed it to him, I mean, they would have had to hand it to him. I wouldn't know what to say. I'd be like, the only thing I could think costing that much is a goddamn hybrid battery on a friggin' RAV4. But no, apparently sunroofs is where Toyota really screws over the customer. Hey, what can I say? I know this is a short video, but don't buy a friggin' Toyota Camry. And I know I said Toyota. Deal it in the comments, especially if this goes viral. Anyways, Lance Mechanics. Yeah, I gotta say this is the #1 car of the year to avoid. Do not buy Camrys. Take that with whatever you want. Have a good one.